Hi students, today I am going to discuss about 8th standard science subject, lesson 4 heat. A new topic, calorimeter. The last class we have studied about calorimetry and specific heat capacity and heat capacity. Heat is a form of energy. When heat energy is supplied to the substance, the physical changes takes place through them. These all are physical changes due to heat energy. So heat energy produces the chemical changes. Heat energy produces the chemical changes. In this technique, to measure the amount of heat involved in the physical or chemical process is called calorimetry. The unit of heat is joule. Calorimeter. A calorimeter is a device used to measure the amount of heat gained or lost by the substance. Let us brief about the calorimeter, thermostat and thermoflask.
Calorimeter. A calorimeter is a device used to measure the amount of heat gained or lost by a substance. It consists of a vessel made of up of metals like copper or aluminium, which are good conductors of heat and electricity. The metallic vessel is kept in an insulating jacket to prevent heat loss to the environment. There are two holes in it. Through one hole, a thermometer is inserted to measure the temperature of the content. A stirrer is inserted through another hole for stirring the content in the vessel. The vessel is filled with a liquid which is heated by passing current through the heating element. Using this device, we can measure the heat capacity of the liquid in the container. The world's first ice calorimeter was used in the year 1782 by Antony Lavoisier and Pierre Simon Laplace to determine the heat generated by various chemical changes. Once again, in 1780, Antony Lavoisier used the heat from the guinea pig's respiration to melt snow surrounding his apparatus, showing that respiratory gas exchange is combustion similar to the candle burning. Lavoisier dubbed this apparatus the calorimeter based on both Greek and Latin roots. Next topic, thermostat. A thermostat is a device which contains the temperature of a place or an object constant. The word thermostat is derived from Greek word thermo meaning heat and static meaning staying the same. Once again, thermostat is derived from two Greek words, thermo meaning heat, static meaning staying the same. This is the device for thermostat. Thermostats are used in any device or system that gets heated or cools down to a preset temperature. It turns on appliance or a circuit on or off when a particular temperature is reached. Devices which use thermostat include building heater, general heater in a room, air conditioner, water heater, as well as kitchen equipments including oven and refrigerators. Sometimes a thermostat functions both as the sensor and the controller of a thermal system. Once again, a thermostat is a device which maintains the temperature of a place or an object constant. As a thermostat is a Greek word, thermo meaning heat and static meaning staying the same. Next one, thermos flask. Its other name, vacuum flask. It is an insulating storage vessel that keeps its constant hotter or cooler than the surroundings for a longer time. It is primarily meant to enhance the storage period of a liquid by maintaining a uniform temperature and avoiding the possibilities of getting a bad taste. A thermos, also called a vacuum flask, is a storage vessel which provides thermal insulation. The vacuum flask was invented by Scottish physicist and chemist Sir James Dewar in 1892 and is sometimes referred to as a Dewar flask after its inventor. The first vacuum flasks for commercial use were made in 1904 when a German company. Next, construction for thermos flask. It is a bottle made up of glass, metal or a plastic with an inner and outer wall. The narrow region between the inner and outer wall is evacuated of air. It is called a vacuum. The bottle must have an opening for contents to be added and removed. A stopper made of insulating material must be used to stop heat from existing. Originally cork, later plastics. This is the parts of the thermos flask. Next, working of thermos flask. The vacuum created by the inner and outer walls of the thermos reduces the transfer of heat from the content of the bottle to the outside environment. The tight stopper stops air from entering or leaving the flask. The reflective lining on the inner chamber reflects infrared radiation straight back in again. A thermos provides thermal insulation, meaning it reduces the transfer of heat between the thermos and the external environment. Heat is transferred in three ways: convection, conduction, radiation. A vacuum flask keeps liquids hot or cold by preventing heat from getting in or out in three ways. Conduction. Vacuum between silvered and glass walls. Glass walls reduce heat gain or heat loss. Cork and plastic are insulators. Convection. Vacuum between silvered and glass walls. Radiation. Shiny, smooth surface on silvered walls. Vacuum flasks are used to maintain their content at a temperature higher or lower than room temperature. Domestically and in the food industry, They are often used to keep food and drink either cold or hot. A typical domestic vacuum flask will keep liquid cool for about 24 hours and warm up for up to 8. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.